see the video. Right now. I knew for a fact he was about a half a car out on me and stayed that way. I don't know.
If it's not, then I'm a
Then, I guess.
Oh, man, I'm excited, man. That was a good win. I wanted to win that win because they didn't want to play team none of the times, so I just knocked her out the championship. Any chance she has, done. That'll teach you a lesson. When you're on a team, it's about the team, not one person. Remember that, Pat Musi? If they was a team player, they would have tried to help win the championship, but they was too greedy and worried about themselves. So I'm glad I beat her and put her out of the championship. Yeah. I'm gonna show them this. To that Pat now. Tell me you again. Show you. Hey, Pat. Let me show you something, Lizzy.
Did you jump or
No, I didn't jump, but you told me you. Let me show you something.
I need to know if you
I don't give a Look at that. Hey, get out of my I'll punch the out of you, Pat. I'm not you. Thank you. You ain't gonna do. You ain't gonna do.
Come away from him.
Get out of my trailer! No!
Jump.
No!
Y'all sore losers. Y'all sore losers.
All right, guys, let's clear this trailer up.
Family first. They took it to a whole nother level. You don't go that far. You don't touch my dad like that. I don't give a So Ryan's pretty much got the championship for the year. I hope they're happy with that. I don't know. Right now, after that whole brawl over there, I don't know what else to say, but I don't feel like I want to be part of Team NOLA anymore. So that's it.
We're off the NOLA team.
Yeah.
You go probably get your.
Yep.
That's how
I'm
I
all
feel
for
about
it.
it.